Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and in this video we're going to announce the winner of the Ryobi P3240 3-gallon portable wet dry vac. Now, there's a lot of ways to get into this. Actually, there wasn't. There's only one, but a lot of you made up your own ways of getting into this. So what you had to do to get into this video is tell me where you would want to go to spring break. Unfortunately, a lot of people must not have watched the video and they told me how they would use this tool, #WorkshopAddict. That's awesome, guys. I appreciate you doing that, but we have to follow the rules. So to get in this video, you had to tell me where you wanted to go to spring break. There's some awesome answers down there. It took me a while to go through with our random generator because I kept getting people who told me how to use this or how they would use it instead of where they'd go for spring break, but we ended up with one winner. And before I announce it, I want to let you know we have a lot of things coming up that are going to be given away. I mean, a ton. So watch to the end of this video. I'm going to go over some of them, give you a little bit of the timing. So the guy who won this, his name is Forerunner 4x4. He had a great place to go. Check it out below. In fact, if you can, congratulate him. I will pin him to the top so that you can see it. Go underneath there, blow up his email if he's got that set up. Congratulate him for winning this. Now you have to get back with me, Forerunner 4x4, through an email address, webmaster@workshopaddict.com. You got 48 hours or so to do that. Make sure that we get the shipping address and a phone number, all that fun stuff. Now, in the future, what we have going out, we have a lot of drill bits. These are some spade bits, speed bores. Going to be awesome. We're going to be giving away well more than 50 of these. We've got some impact wrenches. We've got some cool red tools coming out that you're going to like. We got a lot of giveaways planned coming up in a very, very short time. So make sure that you subscribe to not only our channel, but follow us on social media. And when we give away these large number of drill bits, it's going to have to be a little bit different than how we normally do it because there's no way that I can contact 50 people on YouTube and just say, hey, it's going to have to be a little more automated. So work with me as I try out something new. Again, keep watching our videos, commenting on those. We appreciate your support, guys. Have a great day.